Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you? Fine, that's great. Dear student, we are now going to start course of English. Unit 1. Last episode ની અંદર I will be that activity 1, activity 2, a key to heaven, a play scene 1 and scene 2. Now start. Mark the correct option. The sadhu had many flowers. True. The king wanted to meet the sadhu. False. Tenali Raman had no respect for the fake sadhu. True. The sadhu was really a holy man. False. The sadhu had a magical beard. False. Tenali Raman really wanted to go to heaven. False. The sadhu made the villager a rich man. False. The king cared for his people. True. Good sadhus always accept money for their service. False. The king trust Tenali Raman. True. Will you go to a sadhu to get good marks in the exam? No. B. Who is this sentence about? અહીં આ વાક્ય કોણ બોલે છે તેના વિશેની માહિતી આપણે અહીં દર્શાવવાની છે અને તેનું નામ અહીં આપણે લખવાનું રહેશે. He lived in the camp. Sadhu. He took out coins from his pocket. Villager 2. He rushed to the sadhu. Tenali Raman. He wanted to discuss the new road project. The king. He produced coins and fruits from the air. Sadhu. He plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard. Tenali Raman. He came from the Himalayas. Sadhu. He took always away to shake sadhu's assistant. Okay, done. I hope understand. B. Okay, write down your notebook. Now start C. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Where did the king's ministers go? The king's ministers went to the sadhu's camp. Okay. Second question. What did the people offer to the sadhu? Answer is the people offered gold coins, clothes, animals, grains, vegetables and dry fruits to the sadhu. જે ઓફર કરે તે પ્રમાણે લોકો તેને દાન પુણ્ય આપતા. Now start question number 3. What did the sadhu do by puja? The sadhu cut any alliance by puja. Okay. 4. What was the sadhu's promise to the villager 2? The sadhu promised to make villager 2 rich. Who plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard? Tenali Raman plucked the first hair from the sadhu's beard. 6. What should we do to become rich? Get a job. Remain always healthy. Answer is we should work hard to become rich. We should study to get a job. We should eat good food and exercise to remain healthy. Okay, done? Good. Now D. Find the words from the lesson that mean the following. The first letters is printed in the bracket. First, a country ruled by a king, kingdom, a way of addressing a religious leader, your holiness. Okay. Third, people believe that good people go to this place after death. Heaven, run after someone, chase. The police does this to the thief, arrest. A way of addressing the king, your majesty. A person in the king's cart, courtier. Okay, understand D? Okay, good. E. Imagine you are Tenali Raman. Tell the king what happened. I went to the camp of the sadhu I saw. The sadhu with a long beard and saffron kurta sitting on a platform under a tree. There were many people there. A villager gave a sack of rice to the sadhu. He asked the sadhu, there were many people there. A villager gave a sack of rice to the sadhu. He asked the sadhu to make him rich. The sadhu promised to make him rich. He asked the villager to give him 2 gold coins for a puja. The village gave the sadhu 2 gold coins. I rushed to the sadhu and fell at his feet. I told him to do something so that I could go to heaven after death. The sadhu said it was easy and called me near him. I went near him and plucked a hair from his beard. The sadhu cried in pain. I told the crowd that every hair of sadhu's beard was a free ticket to heaven. A villager also plucked a hair from the sadhu's beard. The sadhu ran for his life. The people chased him. I told the people that the sadhu only wanted their money and gifts. I told them that we can become rich by working hard. We should not give our money to such a sadhus. I told the people that your man will arrest him and everyone would get their money back. Okay, understand? Good. Now read and enjoy. F. 3 grey geese in the green grass gazing. Grey was the geese and green was the grass. Second, swan, swan over the sea. Swim, 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 well, swim, swim, swan. Third, say this sharply, say this sweetly, say this shortly, and say this 16 times. Okay, now start activity 3. Read the following passage. John is an Albert. He works in the great global circus. He practiced very hard for his shows. He can perform on a high swing. He can ride a motorcycle. He can walk on a rope at great height. But he cannot ride a horse. He cannot jump through a fire ring. He cannot play tricks like jokers. Okay? Now complete the sentence. John can. He can perform on a high swing. He can ride a motorcycle. He can walk on a rope at a great height. John cannot. He cannot ride a horse. He cannot jump through a fire ring. He cannot play tricks like jokers. Okay, done? Understand? Good. Now start work in groups. List 5 different ways in which you can and cannot use a ruler. Think differently. You can write more answers and put them on the notice board. We can dig a hole with ruler. We can tear a paper with a ruler. We can apply butter with a ruler. We can use ruler as a paperweight. We can use ruler to eat bread. We cannot draw a circle with a ruler. We cannot paint with a ruler. We cannot fly a kite with a ruler. We cannot cut cloth with a ruler. We cannot drink milk with a ruler. Okay, understand? Good. Now compare your paragraph with your partner. Now start activity 5. Read the 2 dialogues given below. Pinky says, I am hungry. Mummy, can you give me some biscuits? Mummy says, here they are. Pinky says, thank you, Mummy. Second, Naina says, I do not have a mobile. Can I use your mobile? Meena says, no, sorry. Naina says, it's okay. B. Work in pairs, complete and enact these dialogues. You says, I don't have money. I want to buy a shirt. Can you give me so rupees? Your friend says, yes, why not? You says, thank you so much. I will return the money soon. Okay. Second, Rasmi says, my scooty has a problem today. I want to go to market. Can I help me? Kamal says, I do not know. I am new here. Rasmi says, but it is urgent. Vedant says, I want to go to Baroda. I don't know the time of the next train. Can you help me? Jay says, no, I do not know. I am new here. Vedant says, oh, it's okay. ઓકે માય ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ, અહીં સુધીનું આપણે અભ્યાસ કર્યો. એક્ટિવિટી 6 આપણે આવતા એપિસોડની અંદર જોઈશું. ત્યાં સુધી તમે આટલું રીડિંગ કરીને રાખજો. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ.